So me and Major went fishing at Lake Tyler this morning. Started fishing at like 9:30, and shortly after, Major fell in the lake again for the fourth time, I think. Actually, very first time I took him on the boat, he walked over the edge of the boat into the water. I'll put a picture of that day in here. Major! Hello, Mage, I knew you were gonna fall in. Dang it. I knew that was gonna happen. Gotta get it back. Get too close to the edge, buddy. Oh, you're gonna be cold now. I don't know if I have a towel. We've got a towel in the truck. Are you okay? Did you get scared? Did you get scared? You fell in the lake? Buddy. Buddy. I told you that was gonna happen. Mage. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you gonna be okay? Buddy. So that's actually not Major's first time to fall in the lake. That's actually his third time to do that. When are you gonna learn? You're gonna get cold. You're gonna get cold. Poor thing. You just got too excited. You wanted to check out what was over there on the bank. I think he got a little scared. Oh, Major, what are we gonna do with you? Silly. Luckily, we're in 3 feet of water, so he wasn't in any risk of drowning. Oh gosh. A little too close to the edge of the boat, and next thing I knew, all I heard was a splash, and he was trying to get back in the boat like he was gonna drown or something. We were only in like 3 feet of water. I don't think he realized it though. He seemed pretty scared. He's been moping around the house. I think he knows everybody's laughing at him. We keep watching the video of him falling in, so I don't think he's too proud of it.